This one face ID lock, fingerprint lock. So I want to show you now how they take the do am. See, this one are the one we go there inside your house. This one are the one we fix outside your house. They carry your own engine, they come solid engine. The battery, they charge the battery. See, you go use type C, charge them for you. So once you plug them, you don't charge them finish, you plug them. From inside your house, you charge the battery directly. But from outside the house, you charge the battery from here. So once you don't plug them, just connect it. Though installers now then go call do the work for you. But I want to just show you a quick one how the thing they work. So once you plug the see now, you don't pick. See now, you see my face there. You don't open with my face. I don't need to knock, I don't need to knock, but that one pass. Once you look at your face, you don't know, say, okay, so I'm a member of the family, the door go open.
So, madam, make it tell us your name.
Okay, my name now is Obioha Amarachi.
So, what are you doing to madam? We're
doing into the importation, manufacturing, and sales of all kinds of doors. Turkish doors, Israeli doors, even Nigerian doors, pivot doors, with the import and with the sell, German doors, with the sell them.
Okay. So what you will tell our viewers when they patronize you?
God go bless you now. I really appreciate you now. God go bless you now. Well.
Okay. So if you see tell our viewers where would they so?
Okay, yeah, na Ibejuleki, that's what they call them, Ibejuleki. Na Lawon bus stop. We dey opposite Mabella Smart Homes. Or you say opposite the secretary, Ibejuleki Secretariat. Now where you go see us.
Okay. So madam, make you take us and make our viewers see which is available.
We could start with this one. This na iron security door. Water friendly, very strong. If you use them both for room, it's 50 mm. You get door view. So if you use them both for your room, if you use them for your security house, if you use them for your back exit, because one good thing about this door is say it get down protector way snake or rat no go fit follow enter from your house. You go protect your house well. You get rubber seal, water rain no fit spoil them, sun no fit change the color. As in day like that, so it go day forever. Because now iron be this one, a better iron door. Now German people come Nigeria can't do this door for us. So they do them here, but not for our weather. So rain no fit spoil them for us. Now better door be. This one now it gets 5 inches frame, again 9 inches frame. But this one way there now the 5 inches frame will be this one. So like this now we do them on promo for 130,000 naira.
130,000.
Yes.
For this one are 3 feet by 7 feet.
Yes.
Okay.
Now 3 feet by 7 feet. Okay, this one now waiting they call pivot door. This is the pivot door. This one now the door way in the swing, it swing open front, it swing open back. Now extra height, people where they say I want extra height door, and then they color this one. It there for black, it there for brown, it there for white. So now iron door, water no fit spoil them. We get them in 9 inches frame, we get in 6 inches frame. But this one way they now like this, now 6 inches frame where this one be. So sun no fit change the color. Now iron be this. Now the third door be this one. Good security. So this one now like this, we sell them for 1,200,000 naira for the extra height. Pivot door be say your hinges they swing. Now for luxury homes, 9 this door be.
Okay.
Now for luxury homes, now 1,200,000 naira for the extra height. This one where you see for there now, we get that diamond for the center as the handle. That one a Turkish door. It gets up to how many lockway system. So once you don't lock your door up, you lock your door down. Thief no free breaker. You get door view. The hand now that diamond be the handle where that door carry come. Now luxury door be that one, very beautiful, very strong. It's very, very, very solid. Thief no free break like that. It carry adjustable frame. So even if your one a 6 inches frame, 9 inches frame, this one will fit work for you. So we have another one with that one. I see that German door where they tell you now about this one a 9 inches frame. Now very strong. You see I'm so like it's very heavy. See the door view way down we follow. Now this one a 9 inches frame. Now very sweet door. This one they do them on promo now for 220,000 for the 3 feet by 7 feet.
220,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we have this one. For people who say I build tenant house, I want a simple door. This one is white. We have it in black. We have it in brown. The lockway system of this door now very good quality. We see so like this. See how the hand is there. See. Come clear, make we show them. See the lock way they up. You get one, you get two. You see amba strong. You get for center. You get for down. Now the down one also get that down bridge wey go prevent snake or rat to make you no enter. You get door view. Person dey your house, you go know who dey when a person knock. And key cards, those almost normal key card, go fit work with this door. It comes in 4 feet by 7 feet. It's on promo now for 190,000 naira. For the 4 feet though, we get 3 feet from. We get 4 feet. The height is 7 feet. We get 8 feet of the door.
190,000.
Yes, for the 4 feet of it. A very, very sweet door.
Okay.
You get the black. You see the black. The black makes sense. We get wooden doors. All kinds of wooden doors. We get American panel door. That one is 60,000 naira. We get smaller American. Our American panel door carry frame. It carry handle. A better door. We get wooden doors. Solid spring wood where you feel wash. I saw you that one.
The wooden doors now how much?
We sell our wooden doors 170. We have 180. We have 120. So when you chat us up, we will give you samples, show you. All of them come with frame, architrave, handle and other. We will still show you more samples.
Okay.
Yes. We get different samples for our warehouse. So we'll just give you some samples when you chat us up. This one now what they call Turkish cast door. Now Turkish cast will be. Now better door be this one, very solid, no fee break the security. As they are that now, if they want thief won't carry short pistol, you know fee pass for this one.
It's alright.
So this one are 4 feet by 7 feet. Short pistol, bulletproof door for this one. Secure your home. For this estimate, what you like say everywhere is security for Nigeria. Now you go be your own security. Put better door for your home. This one and a 580,000 naira wey be like this. Nobody go break your house, come kidnap you. Put them for your house. It go dey like that for you. 580 for the 4 feet by 7 feet. Okay. Now this one is what we call Italian cast. This is the Italian cast. It's available in different designs. You see as this one deba kakaraka. Water oh, sun no fit touch am. Sun got nothing on this. You say okay for tenant house or for your main building, both for village or for township, buy this one. See the beauty, see the curve. This is an Italian door. It comes in 4 feet by 7 feet. You get down bracing. Snake no go fit enter your house. A hair, rat no go fit enter. Cockroach no go fit pass them. And the security system of this door, they kakaraka, up lock, center lock, down lock. Once you don't lock your house, nobody go fit break them. And one good thing about this door, why I like am be say, as you dey build your house, the door comes with a key where you fit leave am for builders. After they go use and if you go keep am one corner, think say after a while the key go lock, e go work. After like a while, that key don jam, no go work again. And the one wey dey for inside the main park, na be your own. You go keep that one for yourself. So this one now dey for promo for 380,000 naira. It's water friendly, sun friendly. It's for us. It's our own door. Now we will get this one because it was made for us.
And so how much?
380,000 naira for the 4 feet by 7 feet. This one now Italian cast door. Now still bulletproof. I get customers where they say they want cast door where get 9 inches frame. 9 be this one. You get frame for up. You get on the sides. This door now for short pistol. You get door view. The lock system now also up, center and down. 2 keys. As this door like this, but you know feel break them. Once you don't lock them, you don't lock them. But make sure say you know throw away your key. And you don't have very solid door. If you look at you know not cast. Water no fit spoil them. Sun no fit change the design. So in the don't dey. But now 680,000 now they sell this our original cast. That's one of the original one.
And 4
feet by 7.
4 feet by 7. Maybe that one.
We still have other casts. This one is our Turkish door. See them. Now armored door be this one. So Turkish armored door. When you buy and finish, you will come out all this now. You see I seen the shine. na better door. Comot all this now, we come dey shine again for you. E get door view, adjustable frame. This door is luxury. Anywhere where the door, we have it in black. This is the grey color. We have in black, we have the grey, we have the brown. Anywhere where you put this door, you no go come dey wonder which kind of paint I wan do. So when you contact us, we go look your environment. Please don't buy door without showing us your house plan. Now we go determine door wey go fit your house, because there are some doors where you go put, if you never dey structure with your house, e no go work for you. So you go contact us, we go give you door wey go suit your environment, suit your house, wey go last for you for years. Na so we dey do for you. So we go still show you more samples now.
Okay.
This one na face ID lock, fingerprint lock. So I wan show you how they take the do am. See, this one na the one wey go dey inside your house. This one na the one wey go fit outside your house. E dey carry your own engine, dey come solid engine. The battery, they dey charge the battery. See, you go use type C charge am for you. So once you plug am, you don charge am finish, you plug am. From inside your house, you charge the battery directly. But from outside your house, you charge the battery from here. So once you don plug am, just connect it. Though installers na dem go come do the work for you, but I wan just show you a quick one how the thing dey work. So once you plug the this now, you don pick. See now, you dey see my face there. You don open with my face. I don't need to knock, I don't need to knock, but when I down one pass, once you look at your face, you don't know, say, okay, this one a member of the family, the door go open. You will put your fingerprint, say, oh yeah, door open. You will put your code, oh yeah, door open. You will carry your card, put here, bam, door open. If all this one battery no dey, you still won't use the fingerprint, you still have manual key. You will put your key, bam, you have the place on. So once the thing don't lock, no be say you go say something happen. The thing go carry doorbell. This is doorbell, you no say person dey outside. Then you fit charge am. So it's chargeable, it's very solid. We have this other one that does not use the second one does not use battery. The second one uses fingerprint, tiger battery for this one. This one now can you for inside your rooms. Once the battery is weak, you use the manual key and be opening it. When you don't take fingerprint battery, tiger battery, till don't pick. You get doorbell too, freezer for security too. They work, but you don't get face ID. So this one now 150,000, this one at 250,000 naira. So these are our Turkey security door. This 4 feet by 7 feet, adjustable frame, pivot handle, lock way up and down, door view, very sweet door. The door is something that you speak when you put it to your house, even the neighbor will not say yes. The door is okay. So this door now, it's not a free breaker. That door is this. So this one now, this is 590,000 naira. 590. We have this glass door. Toilet glass. This one at 130,000 naira.
Okay.
Toilet size. This is a security door.
This one a security door.
This one now very solid. 4 feet.
Okay.
This one at 590,000.
590.
See that one we do that. Design is working. When you try us up, they'll give you that one at 580,000 naira.
Okay.
This one at German door. This one at 320. That German door. This one 320 and 220. Better door.
Alright.
This one at bulletproof door. This bulletproof door. This one not like this. 650,000.
Okay.
This is a screen door.
This one is screen door. Okay.
Screen door. It has a 3.7 screen door. Have the test.
How much this one they go for?
This one at 145,000.
145,000. Okay. And this one?
The same thing,
Same price. Different design.
So this one now is 2.7 by 7.
Okay. 85. Okay.
This one now is German. So this one now is
200,000.
130,000.
Okay.
So this one now is the one for anti-gold. We have it in gold color, we have black, we have this one is for anti-gold. The class no free payment, so they say the class is on the class. This one are 480,000 naira.
Okay.
This one now German gold wey dey produce here for us, na for us and for our people. This one now 350,000. You have to draw mat that slave you can enter your house from here. So this one now like this now 120,000 naira. So this one now German gold, very solid. Water or rain or nothing will spoil this stuff. See what I'm saying? Very good lock play system. All center water, drum mats. Very solid. This one like this, you see I'm now 220,000 naira. You get the 4 feet, you get the 3 feet.
Okay.
This one now Turkish dog. Like this, now 4 feet by 7 feet. Very good lock play system. All center. Pivot handle. All 4 feet. 7 feet. This one now like this is 620,000.
620.
But we have the one that's the glass window. This is our warehouse food. We get plenty dogs. So this one now like this now 650,000 naira. Now 4 feet by 7 feet. We get plenty dogs in stock. Now when you chat us up, we'll give you sample, deliver from the warehouse. We sell warehouse, wholesale price. We deliver direct to you, wholesale price.
Okay. So if you come here, take our viewers to see your face. So madam, if our viewers need to supply them for other parts of the country, especially the western region, Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, Lagos, so and even Kwara, if you supply them?
Yes, we just move some doors to Osun. If your house there for inside the desert, call us, we'll carry the come give you for them. We will deliver any part of the world,
Okay.
any part of Nigeria.
Make you give us your number in case our viewers don't
Look down
already.
the screen, they see our number. Make I call them for you. 09114 223214.
Again?
09114 223214.
So our viewers all over the world, thank you now for the time when I tell you watch our videos and motivation where you know they give us. We say thank you all and God bless.